Remember, brother, I have wined and dined with kings and queens. But I slept in alley and dined on pork and beans, and everybody here's dined on pork and beans one time in their life.
Ladies and gentlemen, this tutorial is scheduled for one look, introducing to you the broke beauty guru and your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the ring queen, Lexa Rose! I love having a laugh track. An applause track. It's cute. As you can tell, I'm starting to get better with my editing skills. This look is going to be so super fast and so super easy. But I just kind of wanted to delve into a little bit. Of course, we recently celebrated the anniversary of Dusty passing, a great man. A very huge part of NXT, if you did not know. He is the father to Cody and Dustin Rhodes. Goldust, Stardust, them. So I wanted to do a really, really sweet tutorial honoring Dusty. So I've been trying to get to it. Unfortunately, life happens at the speed of life. And, well, I'm finally getting down to doing it now that I have quite time to get, you know, through to it. So what I'm going to do is really quickly, I'm going to prep my face, set my eyebrows, and prime my eyes. And then we'll get started with the rest of the tutorial. So I will be right back. Okay, so now that everything's done, I feel like this eyebrow looks shittier than this one. But that's okay, you know. Such is life. But everything is primed. We're going to go right into our Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. And we're going to hit up Black Rainbow. I feel like it's a better color to use for this look. So we're just trying to find our... Where is my dang... Here we go. We're use this brush. And we're just going to literally pop this all over the lid. This is a really, really, like I said, simple look. But still, you know, like there's still other details that gotta be done and stuff. So we're just gonna load up the brush. I don't know if you can see it. Boop, all black. Let's see, you can see it now. Yeah, nice and loaded. We're just gonna do the design. Okay, so now that I got the black done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and even these points out a little bit. So I'm just going to go right into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, a flat brush, and we're just going to take a little bit, not too much. We're just going to clean up some of the edges like here and then the inner corners. So let's get started. Okay, so now that everything's cleaned up, we're going to do the fun part. Well, it's not really the fun part. It's just another easy, simple part. We're going to go right into our Take Me Back to Brazil and a fluffy brush. Which one? Aha. And we're just going to hit up these two yellow colors. And what we're going to do is we're just going to buff out this, I guess, crease, you could call it, to kind of give it a yellow, because of course Dusty has yellow spots in his gear. So just throwing a little bit of this yellow in there, kind of to make it pop and blend it out so it's not like such a harsh like. So let's get started. Now fuck this, I need a smaller brush. Better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of buff out this line a little bit. And we're going to go into this like darkish gold color. And we're just going to put that right here on the black, where the black meets the yellow. Just so we can kind of buff out that line a little bit more. Okay, so now that we've got that done, what we're going to do is we're going to do the spots. Now, what I'm going to use is literally the bottom of a brush and my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lip in Drug Lord. We're just going to do that. Try not to have too much of like a dip, and all you have to do is just pop in where you want the spots. Okay, so now that I got some of the spots on, what we're going to do is clean them up, and I'm just grabbing a fine Artiste brush and going right back into Drug Lord, and we're just going to kind of make them more circular. So okay, so while I was at it, I added the white for the liner, but I'm going to go in and clean up some of these circles because these don't belong here. So we're just going to kind of cover them up a little bit and kind of shrink them down. So we're going to go right back into our Jeffree Star Black Rainbow. All right, so we kind of got everything a little bit cleaned up and squared away. I just want to make everything a little bit more refined. So we're just going to go right back into Drug Lord with our thin brush. And we're just going to kind of re-clean up. Okay, so we're going to use this flat brush. And we're going to just fill in all the white spots with yellow. I fucking hate it. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Look at this. It's sloppy. I'm just going to go in with my eyeliner. Just clean all this shit up. Why? The makeup gods hate me today. I am going to die of asphyxiation from holding my breath from doing this cleanup. That's as clean as I'm going to get it. Let me just do one more step on this side before, you know. We're going to go into our Riviera palette. We're going to hit up Inheritance. We're just going to put it on the spots. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye and hope for the best. I really want to cry. This look did not come out exactly the way I wanted it to. It came out good. Not the way I wanted it to. Big difference. Big fucking difference. So we're just going to put this on this side and then clean it up. And we'll do it off camera. I'll be back after my breakdown. Time to do the rest of the face. Like, people, when I put up the close-ups, you'll see that this shit is shit. I'm so mad. Dusty's up in heaven right now saying, nah, bitch. Take that off. Call it a day. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. And we're just going to kind of blend this out. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Blending, 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 blending. Blend. Kind of look a bit like Soo Young. If she was a bumblebee. Be young. Haha. No. I'm sorry, Sue. I didn't mean that. Looks like shit. Disgusting. It's going to be my new thing now. Every time something looks like shit or I mention the word shit, I'm just going to yell out, disgusting. Okay, so now we're going to do the deep contour, and we're going to go right into... I was going to use my Revolution contour sticks and stuff, but I feel like I really messed with this. Like, imagine if I do the Renji look, how freaking hard that's going to come out. Oh my god, I don't think I even want to do that one. Like, the makeup gods are like screaming up there like, no. Sorry, I'm just using the viewfinder when I shouldn't. I look like a fucking drag queen. Maybe I can go into drag. Maybe I can use my freaking drag queen, my drag king persona after all. Yeah, I was thinking a long time ago I wanted to do a drag king gimmick called Ramen Reigns. Don't judge me. I think it's fucking clever. A couple of my friends thought it was pretty cool too. Or Bay Wyatt. Holy, did I OD on the concealer today, didn't I? Oh, yes. I don't know what the fuck I did here, but I like it. The lighting is really shitty in here, and I'm gonna come out looking like a fucking drag queen. Watch me. Watch me. Fucking watch me, ho. And you know what? I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I put a lot of love into this dusty look, and it's gonna look fucking amazing. Big. Oh, a lot of shit. A lot of this shit. Disgusting! Oh, there's a serial killer at the door. I'll be right. Okay, so I still look like caca, pero, you know, pretty caca. What we're gonna do is we are gonna go right back into our Jeffree Star, and we're gonna grab our Jeffree Star Beauty Killer and our Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're just gonna go right into the black and yellows, and we're just gonna smoke out the bottom lid. God help me. Okay, now so we're gonna take our contour thing, go right into this color, and just kind of set. Okay, so for blush, we're gonna go into our Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio that I got from my BoxyCharm last month, and we're just gonna hit up Paradiso and Castaway and just throw them on the cheeks. Mascara, roller lash, because sometimes I tend to forget this. Okay, so we're all done. We're going to go right into this Coconut and Rose Makeup Setting Spray that I got from TJ Maxx. That shit smells good. Now we clack, sit back, fan, and relax. Ooh, that's merch. Clack, sit back, and relax. Hold on, I feel like I didn't put enough. Clack, sit back, relax. This fan's a little bit broken, but you know what? It's my bae. And it's only this one little piece right here that's broken, so it really doesn't diminish the power of the clack. Watch. Just like me, a little broken, but still works to its full potential. Now that we're done with that, we are going to go right into our highlighter. I thought that was going to take longer than I expected, and it didn't. So we're going to go right into our Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I like this one because it's got a lot of golds in it. So we're going to go right into Hot Sand, or, you know, we're just going to go with Golden Dawn. We're just going to, like, dip that brush in there and just, and go loco. Because this is a yellow theme look, so we want it to look very golden and yellow. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, so we're going to just grab the same shit. Disgusting! And we're going to go right into Golden Dawn. And we're just going to load it up on the brush and then pop it right on the brow bone. Like, cue that baby crying. And now you look like an Oscar. Okay, last but not least, the lips. We're going to go right into our Dirty Little Secret lip lining pencil in Rosy Posy that I got from my BoxyCharm. Because I don't want it to take away from the eyes. You know how I am. Sorry, I had to moisturize my lips. So now let's get back to it. Okay, not bad. Not always very good with lip liner. It's kind of like outside my comfort zone, but you know, so is stuff like this. So I'm also using, hold on, Lemonade Lip Gloss by, oh, I can't even see the brand name. Something, oh, Dominique Cosmetics. Ha! Why do my lips come out good? Why does the rest of my face look all clown shit and shit? When you try to diffuse your stupidity. And ladies and gentlemen, the look is complete. This is the American Dream Dusty Rhodes inspired look. This side came out better than this side, especially the eyebrow. Somehow this side always does. I don't know why. Maybe because I was dropped on the head as a child. That was a joke, but it really happened. She tried throwing me out the fucking window. We lived on the 9th floor of the projects. Like, she was really trying to stuff my head through those freaking bars. True story. I was never really loved. But that's okay. I love me, and that's important. My man loves me. My son loves me. My family tolerates me and puts up with me. And that's what counts. Okay? So with that being said, I am the broke beauty guru, Lexa Rose, your host for Wrestling with Beauty. Here to say thanks for watching. Come back next time to my next video and keep it Gucci Poochie, bitches.